Today I'm gonna bring a 4-piece lighting. This is for outdoor. It's water resistant, waterproof. All right, so we're gonna put it in front of our lawn, facing our front of our actual house, so it can light up some of the trees that we have. And hopefully you guys enjoy it. This is not solar, this is power. So we're gonna open it up and see what you get when you get something like this. So let's go ahead and open it up. So as you can see, they give us the instructions, the manual, the warranty information, and then they give you a long cord along with the actual lights. The actual lights are a little small, but look at this. They're pretty powerful lights, so I'm going to put them up to the test, and there's 4 of them, and they give you the grass setups, all right? These are the picks for the grass. I'm going to set them up. I'm going to take a look at them tonight. Let's go ahead and start the setup. For the setup, it comes with an Allen wrench. You need to remove these, all right? They're in here, embedded in there, if you guys can see that. And look at this, how bright they are, guys. The lights are not even completely off dark, but look at this. Super little lights, bright spotlights. Here goes another one here, and another one here. You make sure you get some of the light in there. Looking really beautiful. Night. Lighting up the trees. Looking at it really good. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.